Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Naturalhub, your go-to place for health and wellness tips. If you've been struggling with constipation and are looking for natural ways to find relief, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving deep into the best nutrients that can help alleviate constipation. So, make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more health hacks. Before we jump into the nutrients, let's quickly talk about what constipation is. Simply put, it's when bowel movements become less frequent and stools become difficult to pass. It's uncomfortable, it's annoying, and it can affect anyone. But often, the foods we eat play a huge role in how well our digestive system works. Several factors contribute to constipation, including diet, hydration, and lifestyle choices. Today, we'll focus on the dietary aspect, specifically the nutrients that can help. Now, let's talk about the nutrients that can help combat constipation. We've got some fantastic options that can easily be incorporated into your daily meals. First up, fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water and helps soften the stools, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your digestive system more quickly. Foods rich in fiber include oats, beans, lentils, apples, and chia seeds. Next is magnesium. This mineral is fantastic because it helps relax the muscles in your intestines, which can make it easier to go to the bathroom. Great sources of magnesium include spinach, almonds, and whole grains. Probiotics are also essential. These beneficial bacteria help balance the gut microbiome, which is vital for digestion. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods like sauerkraut are excellent sources. Vitamin C not only boosts your immune system, but also has a mild laxative effect when consumed in larger amounts. It can help soften the stool, making bowel movements easier. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are all rich in vitamin C. Incorporating these nutrients into your diet isn't just about eating them alone, but finding tasty ways to combine them. For instance, a breakfast smoothie with kefir, berries, and a handful of spinach can kickstart your day and your digestive system. Let's blend some of these together right now. I'll add some berries for fiber, spinach for magnesium, kefir for probiotics, and a little orange juice for that vitamin C kick. And there we go, a constipation-relieving powerhouse in a glass. While diet is crucial, don't forget to drink plenty of water, exercise regularly, and manage stress, which all play a role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope these tips help you as much as they've helped many others. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it informative. And check out our other videos for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy and see you next time.